Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Kos. It's Forbidden to Foes. Chapter 3, so here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Chang. She seems to be surprised that she really can believe that ending she can able to see her. You can see me. Looking at her face, she seems to be agitated. Oh, it makes sense. Let's not talk about this for now. The medicine. Now, looking at Lanting. Two of them are looking at the side table. Well, at this moment, she is really shy for her. After taking the medicine, it's finally much better. She said it to herself. Now, let's see on what's gonna happen since she was feeling better after taking medicine. Zhang, until now, she was still hesitating and she was looking at landing space. Still, we can see she seems to be worried. For landing at this moment, in front of you, I am the Tao's priest called Shang, Tao's monk under the Yuan-Cis sect. Now, I'm also called Landing. Now, it's been tough. Tao's priest, she was still staring at hers. Since landing, she got really surprised and said, yes, a Tao's priest, absolutely genuine. Now, she's trying to calm her down. Change the hammer. Oh, no wonder she can see. And she'll all pretend before. What did I did to her? Now, it's her turn. It's over. I am doomed. Now, they're really in an awkward situation. And since the people gradually helping them, young Tao's priest, did you meant that to provoke you? Please, let me go. Well, we can see that, right? She said to herself that she don't need to be afraid. I don't need a ghost to make elixir. Now, let's talk about it later. Since she don't want to speak about the topic right now, look at her. She looks really jealous. You look so good looking. Ending, she was staring there. Well guys, definitely, she is really beautiful, right? Especially at this moment, the little queen, her heart, it's really thumping. Still reluctant to use to make the elixir. Well, she was right. She don't need to put everything on else. It was really troublesome. Thank you so much for your compliment. Seeing the shy look on the little ghost girl, suddenly felt that I have won back a game. Well, this is it. It seems that no one is complaining right now. She grabbed her hand. She was going to put out those boxes. Look at her. She seems to be vigilant. Also being aware of the surrounding. Hey, why is this exactly the same as the mark on my forehead? I don't think I have it before. This is a sign of the cause and effect relationship between you and me. Oh, she really did remember what's happening today. But, of course, at that time I chanted the spell in my mind and would allow you to touch a physical entity. Oh, it turns out, and also the things she really want to hold it. As for the cause and effect, oh, there's someone who's calling her. Well, who could it be? Hey, shouting. Do you want to be my teacher? Well, this girl, she's really getting tricky. And also, right now, she was really confident on herself that she cannot be put out of there. You have something to say. Please, speak quickly. Master is busy. Now, everything seems to be fine. Sorry if you really feels like this. Master, what is the casual line for use for? Well, it's looked like she was in a long relationship. Everyone seems to be happy at this moment. This is typically the threat or the QR of the kind of the prestigious from the previous life. You have entered into the marriage contract. Marriage contract right now. The so-called marriage contract is the red spring tied by yellow for the two destined lovers. Now, it really makes sense since she really thinks a lot. She looks really confused. The contract divided into the 7 levels and you are now in the first level. When you touch, you can feel the real touch of the other person. Well, it was really awesome, right? Not important, is there any way to solve it? Looking at her, she was busy holding her phone. Maybe it was a business meeting for her. That's why she seems to be happy. It is very simple, just marry the person who signed the contract and the problem would be solved. Now, the two of them shouted. Still, they really can't believe it. Right now, on their mind, they need to marry someone. Is there no other way to solve it? 1,000 years of fun. It definitely. It's all depend on the market. Well, this moment seems to be surprised. Is there no other way to solve it? I have heard that since that ancient times there's only one get over on the calamity of love. First, to fall in love, then cut off the relationship with your own hands. Well, it turns out she looks really serious, landing young gradually. I don't have any idea. Anyway, I am a lonely ghost. Doesn't matter if I stay with the young toast. Well, for the decades, as must be impossible. Really, you need to believe me. Short marriage, impossible not in this lifetime. Usually, the first level is the best time to unlock it, but you can leave. Right now, he told her that I have to go to the recording studio or work tomorrow. I'm going to take a rest. So cold. I have knew that she will only do this. Also, close to you, and if I died again. So right now, I really want to take care of herself. Well, let's see. At this moment, she really kissed her gently. It's not really, at least not, to follow her. Give her a couple of nibbles, send tears and also emotion. Her spiritual power is so high. If you didn't eat her, no, I make home with her. It was a taskmaster landing. Since someone was calling her, right now, it was landing. She continued to tease her and also to provoke her. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. For now, she moved closer to her and she really kissed her gently. Well, let me see it. Now, let's see on what's gonna happen. It seems that she is really eager and also, but suddenly, her phone, it's going to fall down. Ding, the door key password is correct. So right now, the two of them are really being caught on act. Their friend told her, "Teacher, senior sister, how come you hung out with a ghost?" She seems to be worried about this. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. Thank you, RST. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.